As an online business owner, your success depends on how well you can get 8, 10, or 12 different tools to play perfectly together every single time without failing, which is why I'm super excited to show you guys SamCart's newest update that helps you do exactly that and automate your segmentation, your content delivery, and your tracking. Let's go ahead and dive in and show you guys the brand new SamCart App Marketplace. So, last week we released a bunch of new updates inside of the SamCart app designed to make your life easier, to deliver better results, to make life easier for your team, for you to find better reports and all that jazz. One of my very favorite updates, and probably the biggest update of that crowd, is here, this brand new Apps tab. We have taken what was previously known as the integration engine, so how SamCart connects with all the other tools that run your business, and it is now here in the app marketplace. The first thing you're going to notice is a brand new kind of catalog style of how you can go and find other tools that SamCart integrates with. SamCart is the e-commerce hub that lives at the center of your business. And so all these actions inside of SamCart that happen every day, people buy things, people refund things, people cancel subscriptions, subscription charges go through fine, someone finishes a course, whatever. All of these different actions can trigger things inside of other tools that you use so that you can perfectly segment your users. You can perfectly deliver your premium content. You can perfectly track your analytics and reporting, all of that good stuff. And all of that starts here in the app marketplace. So you can see a lot of email marketing tools on the marketing tab, membership. We've got all the best tools for delivering content, your communities in Circle, your courses in Kajabi, wishlist member, Thinkific, all these different tools. Shipping. We have ShipStation and Shopify for those of you who are also selling physical goods. We've got dedicated course platforms, including the SamCart Courses app included in every single account, but that probably now properly belongs here in the app marketplace alongside with Customer Hub. And you got the other tab, API, webhooks, Zapier, stuff like that. So once you have installed or connected with one of these apps, you can come up here to the top and go to the Installed tab. And you can see under Installed, I've got a bunch of these things that I've already connected with, right? The really cool part too, one thing, just a small feature, but a really nice quality of life feature, is that you can actually star these things and it will add them to your sidebar over here on the left. So if I find myself all the time, I'm working with the SamCart Courses app and Circle and HubSpot, right? And now anytime that I navigate away from my app marketplace, I can actually come back and go directly to HubSpot and quickly mess with things, rules, things like that. Once you're connected and you click into one specific integration, there is a new area where now you can see all of the rules that have been set up for this integration. So rules are simple if-then statements that are what something happens in SamCart, do something in HubSpot, right? Something happens in SamCart, do something in ConvertKit, this kind of idea. What you can do in those other apps varies depending on the app. Most email marketing tools, you're adding a tag, you're adding a list, something like that. HubSpot, you can do a lot more with custom contact properties and sending order data. Facebook, you're going to send traffic and, conversion analytics, stuff like that. But these rules can be either global or product specific. So global is anytime someone purchases a product, I want to add them to this list in HubSpot, right? Or anytime a product is refunded in my whole marketplace, I want to add them to this list, right? Those are global rules. And then you can do product specific rules. So product specific rules say that when a prospect is created for these 2 products, or you could have these 10 products or these 5 products, whatever, I want you to add them to this list, right? Over here, if something is refunded for either of these 2 products, we're going to add them to this list, right? You could add them to a list, remove them from a list. All of these integration rules are super configurable, right? And just as a quick look at it, here are all the trigger events you have available to you. Product is purchased. A prospect is created, meaning cart abandoned. A refund event runs. A subscription is charged. A subscription is canceled. A failed charge happens. An upsell is purchased. Subscription completed. Subscription delinquent. All of these different things. There's literally more of them. People complete a course in the Courses app. Someone, whatever. There are more actions available. But these are the kind of events that you have in SamCart to run that then you can say inside of these other apps you've connected with, go for a HubSpot example, add them to a list, remove them from a list, sync an e-commerce deal, sync custom contact properties. All of these things are on the table. So these kind of if-then statements, that all of them live inside of the app marketplace. Powerful tools for you to automate 3 things. Number 1, keep your people and your lists perfectly segmented. You know exactly who your customers are. You know who your best customers are. You know who hasn't bought yet. SamCart's going to do this around the clock. Set up integration rules, and SamCart is going to keep all of your lists perfectly clean. Number 2, we're going to automate content delivery. So one of our most popular integrations are course platforms, Kajabi, Thinkific, Wishlist Member, MemberPress, all these things. SamCart is going to automatically set up rules where you're going to grant access to a course in Kajabi. If a subscription is canceled, you can remove access automatically. Your premium content is always perfectly protected by setting up these integration rules. And then the last one is going to be your tracking and analytics. So you're going to set up integrations with Meta, Google Analytics, GA4, right? But the end result is that your entire business finally plays perfectly together every single time, thanks to the SamCart App Marketplace. Back inside the App Marketplace, not only can you create rules here and see all of your rules, right? But you also can scroll down, and SamCart now keeps a full log of every single integration action that happens. So configuration, you can see I connected the app, but if I switch over to actions, now I can start seeing, okay, cool, this customer came in, bought something, and was added to a list. And if it failed, it would say it failed. It's right here. So you can help pinpoint exactly maybe why a customer didn't get what they bought. You can help them out more and understand, are there things that are going wrong? Full logs you can check out anytime. For more advanced CRM integrations like HubSpot, like Keep, like some of these other ones that we have, you can also map information from SamCart over into those platforms. So in addition to SamCart sending all the basics, first name, email, what somebody bought, what they spent, all that stuff that's going to get sent, you can additionally send over custom fields. Maybe you have a drop-down menu of how did you hear about us? And you want to get that from SamCart over into HubSpot, right? These custom field mappings available with our more advanced CRM integrations. And this might sound like a really simple one, but one of my very favorite features back here is anytime you have an integration, maybe I've gone and made some new lists, or I have some new tags, or I have done some work inside of the integration tool that we're connected with, you can come back here and click refresh integration right now, anytime. And SamCart is going to pull in all your latest tags, all your latest lists, any information, it will go back and pull all that back in so that you can keep working faster. Come into your app marketplace, search for your favorite tools, and set up some integrations. Create some integration rules and start automating the core tasks that your business needs you to run perfectly every single time, with SamCart and the app marketplace at the heart of it all. The app marketplace is now available inside of every single SamCart account. So your e-commerce hub is making sure that all your other tools that run your business are working perfectly together. If you are missing out on that kind of reliability, head over to samcart.com and start a free trial today. Or you can click the link down below this video, talk to our team about migrating your business to SamCart, where we do all the work for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Scott Moran, the co-founder here at SamCart. We'll see you in the next one.